for this week, I want you to check your arrangement first and add this arrangement. Repeat the song in key of G. I'm going to play through from here to here in key of C first. So I want you to check your arrangement if you got it right. Make sure to hit the one chord right here. And do low root ending. Let's take a look at number 4 for the next page. Right here, the questions. It's going to give you a little clue how to transpose into key of G. You can answer the questions up to here. Nothing really difficult. I'm sure you can figure it out by yourself. But number 4. What is the scale degree for the first melody note? Let's take a look at it. That's E, and it's in key of C. Scale degree number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it starts on E, so that means scale degree 3. Which note would be the first melody note in key of G major? Let's play 5-finger pattern in G. 1, 2, 3. Scale degree 3 for G major is B. In key of G major, what is one chord? One chord is in key of G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first note of the 5-finger pattern is G. And the 5 chord is going to be D. 1, 5, 1. And I'm sure you can figure the rest of them out. And with the low root ending, remember you are in key of G, so 1 is going to be G, so low root ending is going to be on G this time. So make sure not to hit C. And once you can do G major, I want you to play through. First time C major, second time G major.